Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sips by unboxing. Usually I do the monthly subscriptions, but they have made some more curated boxes, so they let me pick a few. So I'm going to show you what's inside. This one is the chai box. I really like chai tea. There are 4 different brands in here. Gives you all sorts of information about them, so I'll show that again at the end. First up we have Tea Pigs. This is chili chai, and there are 2 bags in each box. Cute packaging. Every box, as long as you have loose leaf tea, you will get some of these refillable tea bags, which is really handy. How fun is this? Normally tea packages are pretty boring. This is cool and colorful. America Famous Tea by Harry Chai Pen. That's really neat. Love that packaging. This is ginger chai tea, caffeinated. Very cool. So we got 4 of those. Excited to try that. Then Pinky Up vanilla chai. I really like that kind of tea, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be a big fan of that one. Again, 4 of those. Every time they're individually packed like that, you get 4. Cool. Has a steep time on there. Everything you need to know about it. And then the last one, it looks like it has turmeric or something in it. Yep. So there is ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, and cloves. And you add 1 teaspoon per cup, steep for 10 minutes. Very cool. So that's what you can use the tea bags for. Fill them up. So that is what came in the chai box. Show you the card again. They normally put discount codes on there. 25% off, 20% off. All sorts of good information. And then if you want to order this box, you can go to their website, go to their shop, and I will link it below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.